there was this traveler who found himself stuck in the desert, and he was dying of thirst and exhaustion. And he knew a few more minutes, that's all he had in this lifetime. It was that bad. So suddenly he happened to see this little hut. So he walked in and he saw a water pump, old rusty pump. And just at the side of that pump was a small little jug of fresh, cold water. And he was just about to gulp it down because that's how thirsty he was when he noticed a small little note there saying, "Don't drink this water. Use this water to prime the pump." Now you can see his predicament. What does he do? What happens if he uses that fresh, cool, life-giving water to prime that pump and it doesn't work? He's definitely going to die. Or should he just gulp down the water and live for a few more days? See, very often we all come to those crossroads. What should we do? Should we take the certain thing? So what does he do? He decides to gamble using his prudence. So he pours the water from the little jug onto the pump and starts priming it. And guess what? Within a few seconds, a whole new stream of fresh, cool water bursts from the earth and quenches his thirst. And he has enough of water to not only survive, but to make it out of that desert. So sometimes being impulsive is the wrong thing to do. So remember, next time life brings you to this point, recall this